What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. If you're new to the channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the post notification. For today's video, we're taking Stilo to his first car meet ever. Not only that, we're taking my brother to his first car meet.
Yo, what's up?
You nervous, bro?
Hell yeah.
Yeah, see you guys there. Alright, man. Before anything, we gotta pump some gas. Now that we got gas, let's go, buddy. We're here already. Damn, look at that Mustang right there.
Damn, this is actually smooth.
A lot of people, huh? Walk around?
Yeah.
You nervous?
Yeah.
Alright, bro. It looks like I think I'm one of the few Mustangs here. You saw the green one over there?
Yeah.
Which one you think looks better, the green one or this one?
I don't know, man. This shit looks nice.
It does, huh?
Yeah.
This shit's clean, bro. You got the slicks in the back. I'm trying to fit some of those in my car, but my car is too low, so it's gonna be rubbing on the fenders and shit. This shit is mean, bro. Believe it or not, this was gonna be the first model I was gonna get, but I couldn't get it, so I got the S550. That thing's clean though, I ain't gonna lie. Oh, look at this one too, bro. What do you think about this, bro? Oh shit, dude, she got the thing in the front. This thing's street, bro. What do you think?
That shit looks fucking deep.
Got the Supra in the back. Bro, if I have to get rid of my car, bro, I'm getting one of these.
Really?
Yeah, hell yeah. Look at this shit, bro. They got the carbon fiber wing in the back too. Damn, this shit's low as fuck, boy. And then you got the Infiniti with the light right there, look. You know, I could get some of that in my car too.
Yeah?
Oh look, those are Arhams too. Those are the type of wheels I have on my car, but like different style. I have the Arham DS05s. What's up, man?
Chilling?
Yeah.
Pictures or what? Or videos?
Little vlog, bro.
YouTube?
Yeah. You know you can't leave out the Miata, bro. You gotta show some love for this. This thing's crazy. Look how low this thing is, bro. Dude, I'm surprised that she's not rubbing in the back. Bro, these are basically like everybody wants these.
Really?
Yeah, you can do so much with those. Oh, look at this thing, bro. Jesus, dog. This thing will disrespect the hell out of my car, bro. It's a supercharger Hellcat, bro. You're not into these? What car gets your attention here, bro?
I would put a Honda.
So far, bro, I don't know. We got disease over here. No get my cut.
Oh my god.
What?
Just holy fuck. Corvette.
Too much cars for you or what? We got another Mustang here. This one's basically stock, but you never know what's under the hood, you know? Damn, you know what's crazy? I wanted to get my car this color too.
Really?
Yeah. But I ended up getting the dark. Damn, I'm not gonna lie, there's a shitload of people, bro. Looks like come out of Fast and Furious, bro. What up, bro? We got another Mustang here. Oh, this thing is clean.
That shit looks
Damn, bro. Jesus, look at this shit. Hey, man, this shit is fucking nice. We just got here, bro.
Imagine they kick us all out.
I don't know, guys. I feel like trading my car for one of these. Just been getting, everybody's like, don't do it, it's a BMW, but I don't really care. This is your favorite one, bro. Out of all the cars.
Oh, there's a lot I like. This has to be my second favorite.
Well, which is the first one?
The first
It better
one,
be the Stilo, bro. You walking home, it ain't Stilo. I'm not a fan of Camaros, but this Camaro, guys, like, this is crazy. Look how low this thing is. It's literally touching the ground. The white body. Oh yeah, bro. Yeah, I need one of these. Look at this shit, man. You don't see me in one of those? Mistaken, bro. That's a bullet right there.
The genre one.
Thing's clean. Look, we got another one over here, Tony. Dog, I gotta get one of these, bro. But here's the thing, though, bro. If I get one of these, you can't fit nothing in the back. Basically, it's just a two-seater. I think that you like Camaros and not Mustangs, bro. What's up with that? You can't be my brother. You can't be my brother and complimenting those. You know what that is? It's a Hellcat, bro.
I could have sworn I saw that shit when we were coming.
You like it?
Not Hellcat.
Yeah, you join the Dodge community or what? Damn, look at that. This thing is clean, bro. So look at the Miatas.
I saw some.
Damn, bro. Damn, look, this is a shitload of GTIs. Damn, that one's sick. I ain't gonna lie, bro. Yeah, that one. Damn, it's right here. Look. Look. I'm gonna try to get an angle. Oh, I think they're gonna park here. No quema cut.
Oh my god.
Oh, look, it has Arhans too. I have some of those wheels too. Damn, my boy with the Hellcat. You got a Corvette right here. You got a Camaro. These lights are good, huh? Look, that one got like red lights on it and shit. What is that chopping, bro? Here?
Dude, I see so many Camaros.
Yo. Dog, look at this thing. It's a Tug bar, bro. That thing's clean, bro. I ain't gonna lie.
Viva Mexico. Shit was smoking.
This thing?
That shit was smoking hard.
Damn, talking shit about, bro. Like that? That's how you feel?
I'm just saying.
I'm just saying, bro. I'll be right home, bro. Like, we got a Supra over there. We gotta go look at that GTR, dude. That's just fucking
that
sick.
GTR
They got the
looks fucking
Supreme thing on the side of the doors. Bro, now this shit will disrespect the fuck out of my car.
911.
Damn, dog. What the fuck? Damn, bro. Look at that.
The tail.
Fuck, dude. This thing's clean, bro.
I see you. The GTR.
I ain't gonna lie, bro. This thing's it's fucking hard, dude. Damn, bro. Yep. Look at this thing. For a Camry. What do you guys think?
Oh, that's pretty plain if you ask me.
My boy got the thick girls only. Really, man. Bro, this is the wing that I wanted to put on my car. Yeah, he got the arrow lights. Those lights and those wings, I want that on my car. This thing's fucking beautiful. You like Corvettes?
Fuck yeah, bro.
You're a Corvette fan, huh? You wanna go look at that or what?
Yeah.
Hey, that thing is fucking mean, bro. So this car got your attention, bro?
Fuck yeah.
You like Corvettes? Like that?
They look nice, bro.
I see you, bro.
Oh my god, the inside of that shit.
Bro, I've always liked these taillights. Oh god. Shit, I want to get the license plate. Damn, fairy lady. Bro, look at those big ass tires, dude. Buddy, bro. That's sick, I ain't gonna lie. Bro, I see all these nice ass cars, and then you look at my car, it's like shiny wheels.
Look at the car. Oh my god, the fucking GT.
I ain't gonna lie, that thing's clean, huh?
That shit fucking. Imagine they offered you to drive it? What?
I'd be scared. Got the Infinity. Basically different type of Mustangs. And then this one's like, basically it's called a Bullet.
Bullet?
Yeah. I don't know what year it's it, but these are nice. I see these at work all the time. The interior is different. Yeah, dude. Seems
Bullet?
nice.
Red Corvette. I mean, red Corvette.
You like?
Oh, the wheels are nice. The wheels are nice. I like the wheels. You would rock one of those or what?
One of these?
Yeah.
Yeah, dude. Hell yeah. Is it a Meg? Alright, we're just gonna walk away, bro. I saw it sound. It's an automatic, so we're just gonna walk away real quick. Alright, guys, that's basically the whole meet already. We went to the first location. There was no cars there. They already went to the new location. So when we got here, the cars were already here. Basically, from what I know on the flyer, it says 9 through 11. And it's already 11, so everybody's just leaving. Tony, this is your first car meet. Your first car meet.
Yeah, ever.
Because we're going to go to more. I'm going to take you to somewhere they're lit. Lady Three Titties.
What?
What do you think about your first car meet?
The first, oh, there were so many nice cars. That Camaro and GTR, bro. Oh my god. And there were so many fucking Corvettes.
So you mean to tell me that?
I like Corvettes.
And what else?
Bro, Challengers. They're fucking cool.
You know what's crazy? Not once did I hear you say that's a nice Mustang.
Why? I did.
You're walking home, bro.
What do you mean?
Get out of my car.
I I did.
So that's basically all we have for you guys today. Hope you guys enjoy. Leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, do all those things. And until next time.